Hi guys, my name is Moin South and I am from Indo Pradesh. And today our topic is OOPS. So OOPS is full form is Object Oriented Programming. OOPS is a programming paradigm and it is a fundamental of many programming languages like C++, Java, and many more. And in OOPS concept, we have a five main concepts. First is classes, inheritance, abstraction, and encapsulation, and polymorphism. So let's discuss one by one. So what is classes? So classes in JavaScript. It is a lightweight super posting, and it is a lightweight threading way object template. So for example, in previous we have a constructor function, and after ESC we have a classes. So in classes, we are simply create object. So let I explain. I give one example for better understanding. For example, I follow one bank account example. So I created one class name is bank account, and so in bank account we have a major three things. First is customer name, second is a customer account number, and third is a balance. So I created three variable like customer name, customer name, customer account number, and third is balance. So this is our, and after in class we have a constructor function. So inside constructor, whatever parameter is come, we are simply whatever parameter is come, we simply use here. So first parameter is our customer name. So customer name is coming here, and a second is balance. So for example, by default, if a customer not deposit any amount, so we simply fill the zero in balance. And in constructor, we simply give this value in our variable. So this dot customer name equal to customer name, and this dot account number is equals to account number. No account number like for this. So we need unit account number. So I use the date dot now property. So it give me every time new date, a new account number. Okay, and that is balance. So this dot balance is equals to balance. So in constructor, what we do? We simply do. We have a two parameter, and we simply fit our parameter value in our variables. So this dot customer name is this. So this refer to this bank account. Okay, and our object. Okay, whatever template we are created. So this is our basic structure is ready. In the bank account, we have a major two tasks: withdrawal amount, and the second is deposit amount. So let's create methods. So in our classes we have two things. First is property, second is methods. So in methods, whatever action you done, it is called method. So let's I created one method deposit. So what deposit? So deposit in we have a parameter amount, and inside we simply what we do, simply in this dot balance we simply plus our amount, and in withdrawal, so I created one method is withdrawal. So sorry for sorry for spelling mistake, and but you understood what I am saying. So withdraw this dot balance minus equal to amount. So whatever user want to remove amount, so it is simply remove this amount. Okay. So you see, this is our basic template is created. So this is the classes. This is our basic template of object, and we have some property, and some method deposit and withdraw. And let's create one example. For example, we have one account number like Govind account, my name. And whenever we need to create an object, we need to use new keyword. So I use new keyword, and after that, what I do, we simply call this class here, and after that, we simply pass name. So we have a two parameter: customer name, balance. Here, customer name is my name. So I print my name is Govind Sahu, and we have a, for example, in initial I give 2000 rupees. So 2000 rupees. So balance is 2000 rupees. Customer name is Govind Sahu. So this dot customer name is Govind Sahu, and it is give me random account number, and balance name is 2000. So initial or balance 2000. So let's call this our object. So console. So I don't know like to write again and again console.log. So what I do, I simply destructure our console, and I console, and after that what I do, I simply load our going account. So you see, if for example I created one going account, if have a many account like your name anything, so we using this one template, I create millions of a template of object. So let's I show what we found here. So uh, so I need to run this. So node class. You see, so I created one account, bank account, customer name Govind Saab, account number is this, and balance is 2000. For example, I created another account for any person like dummy data like my friend name Vinit. Okay, so Vinit account. So I created Vinit account, and Vinit Mehra. Mehra. And initial amount is 1000. And if I log Vinith account, so you see what is the changes here. So first I separate this. So again I come, first I clear this console, and again I run this. So you see I load two accounts. First is my account, Govind account. Second is my friend account, Vinith account. Okay. So we found two templates. You see, using one classes, we are creating two objects. So this is a like a template. So here is a customer name Govind, and here is a customer name Vinith, because our argument is this, and here account number is different, and here is account number is different. What happened? Why it is not give a difference? I think some issue. So we use any unique ID. Yeah. So this is not a issue. So we give anything, and this is our balance. So balance initial balance is 2000, and initial balance is 1000. And so yeah, so we are creating using this template. We are creating this template, and no. So right now I am comment out this, and I created two methods. So let's check this method, it is working or not. So going so this is going account, and after that what I do, so going account dot deposit deposit, and inside deposit what I do, we simply so previous our amount is 2000, after I give 3000 rupees, so my balance is 5000. So you see, if I load this, and I also calling Withdraw function is also I am calling. So withdraw withdraw 1000 rupees. So I give output. After that, I am explain what is the answer. So in a going account, we created simple our object, and we have this going name, and our balance is 2000. And after that, we are simply calling this deposit method. So in deposit method, we simply add our balance 3000. So previous our balance is 2000. After adding 3000, we have a actual balance is 5000. And again we are calling our log our object. After that, what I do, we simply withdraw our amount. So previous our amount is 5000. After that, our amount is 4000. So let's what is our answer? First, I clear this and node class.js. So let's check. So first our balance is 2000. After adding 3000, we have a 5000 rupees. And after that, withdrawal 1000 rupees, our actual amount is 4000. So it is working fine. And this is our basis of class. And let's start. I am explaining inheritance parts. Inheritance is very important part of our OOPS concept. So next topic is our inheritance. Thank you. Hi guys. So now let's discuss inheritance. So what is inheritance? So it is inheritance is a mechanism which one class acquire the property of parent's class. So I give a real life example. For example, uh, in our grandfather, our father, and and our child, son. So what happened? We have some property of our father and grandfather. So this is the chain, and it is called inheritance. So this is the real life example, and it is same concept is applying our OOPS concept. So let explain. So what is the benefit? For example, I created one class bank account. In bank, we have a multiple account. Like for example, saving account and current account. So in saving, so you see, in saving account and current account, we have a same similarity. Like customer name is also same, account number and balance. So this is the so avoid this duplicative code. We use inheritance. So what is the first advantage? We do not write again same this code, and we are simply inherit this property in our another class. So this is the inheritance benefit. And so I give example for better understanding. So for example, this is our bank account class. So I am already explained this. So let's move one step ahead for inheritance. So for example, I created another class like class saving account, and inside saving account we are simply uh, extend bank account. So what happened? So after this extend keyword, we simply in a all the property and method is available here, we are simply use here using this extend keyword. And so what happen if I need same this property? So we do not need to write again same code. We simply use super keyword and we are access this all the property. So let I create. After that I am explain. So I do not need this right now. So I simply comment out this, and after that I created my our first inheritance code. So we have a constructor. In constructor, we have a same again customer name, and second is our balance. For example, 0. And after that, what we do? We simply call our super. It is a very important keyword. So with the help we are access this all properties. Super. And after that we simply pass our parameter inside here and balance. So yeah, and for example I give some limit, like for example anything like limit, transition limit, transition limit, for example 10,000, 10,000. And now talking about and also I create one another method, like for example taking personal loan, and inside we have a amount of personal loan, and I simply console this, console dot load, and simply yeah, yes, your personal loan is approved, and whatever amount we are paid here, so amount whatever loan is approved, we are simply paid here. So I think we do not need this thing, so I simply, yeah, so it is much more better than. And so what we do, we simply creating one class saving account, and we creating one method, and we have a same method, same property like customer name balance. So we are simply inherited this our bank account class, and we simply use this. So what happened, our we use the reusability code. So let's check what happened. So I use this, and instead this bank account I use this, and let's console what happened. So uh, yeah, so what happened, so what I do, simply I load our Govin account. So it is a saving account, so I change in name saving account, and simply print this. After that what I do, I simply call this. So I write name in .js. So yeah, you see, customer name Govind Saab, balance is 2000, if and transaction limit is 10,000, because here is our transaction limit is 10,000. Okay, that's why it is coming in 10,000, and balance is. And now if I am call this method, so let's check what is the output, and dot taking personal loan, and I take 20,000 loan. So you see, I think, okay, spelling, it is a very messy. So first I clear this. So I think clear is also here. And after that, I simply print this. So you see, uh, line number 40, we simply print our object. So this is our object. After that, we call this method. So this method is called, and we pass 20,000. So here is right, yes, your personal loan is approved. So that's why here is right, yes, your personal loan is approved. And our amount is 20,000. So that's why amount here is 20,000. So this is the basic funda of our inheritance. And in next topic, I explain what is encapsulation and data hiding, and it is also very most important concept of OOPS. Because for example, I give one example. For example, let's take this example, like let Govin, sorry, for example, Govin saving account dot uh, customer name Salman Khan. So you see our first I give our username is Govind Sound, but here I changes the customer name Salman Khan. Let's see what happened, and I do not need to load this, so that's why I am not using this. No, no, no. Yeah, I comment out this. So let's check what is the our answer. And so first I clear this because I don't not like messy things. So what happened here? Go in our similar account, customer name, and this you see, we give going south, and but after I change name Salman Khan. So if you see this Salman Khan, so our username is going south, but you see any person can change simply username. So this is wrong. So you see Salman Khan. So this is the wrong way. So that's why our encapsulation and data hiding concept is coming in the picture. So in next topic we are I explain this topic. So thank you guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. So our topic is right now our topic is data abstraction and encapsulation. So here is a one definition of abstraction and encapsulation. After that, I am explain what is these things saying. So abstraction is the method of hiding unwanted information, where encapsulation is a method to hide the data in single entity or unit along with a method to protect information from outside. So I give one example. So you know our previous so this example. So what happened here? Any user access or change a name. So this is not the right way, because we do not think anything change our data, because this is a very commercial data. It is not a user purpose data. So that's why. So here extraction is the method to hide data for user, and encapsulation is the method. So let's I explain. So let's so what we do. For example, so we have we need to private our balance and entity. So for example, I give one example like I do not like to so this customer name, and so for example, let's take example of balance. So if I console.log balance, and if I run this, so in k.js, one here in here, so I think to send to include base. What is okay, understood. I need to write node in care.js, and after release. So you see, we are access this balance, and if anything try to change this amount, so it is easily changed. But what I do, we need to private this balance. So if I using this, so you using this hash, we private our data. So let's again I run. So okay. So I need to pass here also whenever I use here. So yeah, here is also we need to this. Yeah. So this all the balance properties is secure, and if anyone is access try to access, it is give me undefined. And if you do not believe, so I print simply uh, whole object, and you see balance is not available in this object. So first I clear this, and okay, no issue. So you see customer name is available, account number is available, Transition limit is also available, but balance is not available. Previous is available, but using this hash, we private our balance. So not any can access this property. So this is the data hiding and encapsulation. And so yeah, this is the main OOPS concept. And the next topic is our uh, polymorphism. So let's explore what happened for polymorphism. So I give real life example. So polymorphism is, for example, in real life, for example, talking about a man. So in May, at a time is many form May. Like for example, at a time it is a father, and it is at a time is a working professional, and at a time it is a also a student. So this is a form of method. For example, what I saw. For example, we have one function of method, and we use in a multiple time in another form. So this is a polar phase. So I give one example. Like for example, I create another poly. So yeah, thank you very much for your support.